Wish I could dream forever through the rough times and stormy weather, but I am deep the progress when my mind awakes through the process. So I say cheers to the echo, permitting my thoughts to slowly let go.
Good morning, everyone. It is me, Jenny. I am back to do a little get ready with me. I haven't done one of these for a while, probably since like last year around the same time, so thought it was due for an update, doing this Vogue-esque style. Am I as cool? I don't know, but I just wanted to share like all of my updated products that I've been using and loving, and also introducing a new product from Ursa Major, which is the sponsor of this video, which I'm literally so excited for because I, as most of you know, have been loving and using their products for, I think I was first introduced like almost a year ago, and slowly but steadily have just like blossomed such a love for them. So I'm very excited to be working with them on a video, and I'm just gonna get straight into it. And I'm gonna do skincare, makeup, and hair all in one video. My routine's pretty simple, so I'm just gonna cram it all into one.
Didn't choose to.
So I don't wash my face in the shower just because I like keep all my products over here and it's just easier that way. I have fallen in love with this fantastic face wash. This is from Ursa Major. It has AHA and BHA in it, which I think is like the main reason why I love it so much. You only need like a tiny little bit. It gets super foamy, and I think it really helped with clearing up my skin personally, and I just really love it overall, and it lasts for such a long time. And so this is what I've been using. So I just, of course, always wash my face, just a little drop there. And then every morning I use a vitamin C serum. This is also Ursa Major. If you've seen my other videos, this is actually what I've been using for a really long time. I like this vitamin C serum. This is the second bottle I've used in the past year. This one just has felt the most hydrating from any of the other ones that I've tried, so that's why I've stuck with this one. But I like using a vitamin C serum in the morning because it actually really makes my face feel a lot brighter and like ready to start the day. It smells like citrus, which is really nice. And you're supposed to use sunscreen when you wear vitamin C serum, so keep that in mind. I probably won't put any on because I'll probably only leave the house for like a second today. And lastly, here we are, bum ba-dum. It is the Ursa Major Vital Spring Face Lotion. This is their new product. Very excited to announce this. Main ingredients are marula and cucumber. This smells like cucumber, which is why it's so nice. And I feel like what makes this really unique is that it's super lightweight, so you can just feel it, and it's like almost like milky feeling. It just feels really good, especially when it's hot outside and you want to stay hydrated, but you also don't want to feel like you have like a layer of moisture on your face any more than you already do from sweating. So this is perfect, and it has a bunch of antioxidants in it, which help protect from like environmental stressors. Everything about them is like very clean. A lot of their products use organic ingredients and are just naturally derived. And of course, they're cruelty free. This is a vegan product as well. I also think I've tried almost every single one of their products and truly have loved every single one that I've tried. It's also very soothing, I think because of the cucumber, and it feels really firm and like plump and ready to go, which is why I love it so much. So this is new to their website. If you want to check it out, I definitely highly recommend. Of course, with skincare, it's always like everyone's a little bit different of what you need, but if you're interested in trying them, I do have a little discount code for you. So if you go to the link in the description and use the code where I live, you can get 15% off your first purchase, and that'll be good from a month that this video is posted. Check them out if you haven't already, and I hope you love them as much as I do. I'm gonna get into my makeup now.
Through the rough times and stormy weather, but I am deep.
The towel is falling off. So, makeup I also keep pretty simple. I've been using this like almost this exact routine for all summer. So some days I put on this Perfecting Skin Tint just to like even out my skin. But in the summer when you have a little tan, like sometimes I don't have to do this, which is great, and like it's actually a feeling I thought I would never get to, of like not having to wear any like face makeup, which is cool. I do this sometimes to like give me a nice base to go off of. And then I've been using this Bite multi-stick. I saw this in a Vogue video actually, and I just really needed to try it. I really like multi-sticks or like multi-product. So I've just been putting this on my eyes because I like when my eyes are just like a little bit darker, like there's a little bit of a shadow, but it's not really like a color. So I just smear this in. Wow, okay, I look like a clown right now, but just wait. With like multi-sticks and multi-products, I like because you can use them all over your face instead of having to buy a bunch of different products to do different things. I'll just use this as a bronzer as well, like whatever leftover product I literally just bring down onto the rest of my face. I'm in love with this. I already talked about this a few times, but it's a Noto Botanics multi-stain. Again, another multi-product. This is for lips, cheeks, and eyes. I really like their brand, and I really like this product, so I just put it on like apples, I think these are, yeah, apples of my cheeks, and then I'll put it down the bridge of my nose, which it looks scary right now, but I think it gives like that cute little like kind of sunburnt look, but not really, unless I'm actually sunburnt, in which case I won't do this. And I also use it on my lips, so I really get good use out of this one little pot. That was like pretty much my whole face with just like 2 different products, which is great. And then I'll do my eyebrows. They're literally still wet from my shower. I swear my eyebrows will stay wet for like an hour after I shower because they just are so bushy. Glossier Brow Flick. I guess I didn't think I would have use for it because my eyebrows are already pretty bushy. Like I didn't think I'd really need to fill something in. But then I started using it to give a little bit more shape to my eyebrows, and I ended up really loving the results. So I've been doing this like every single day, which is surprising for me. And yeah, I've never had my eyebrows professionally done, so I wish they had a little bit more shape. I'm just like too nervous to go see someone because I don't want them to like mess my eyebrows up. So this is like a good happy medium for me. See, it kind of looks like, I feel like it makes my face look a little bit more put together. And then I'll just use Boy Brow to kind of like help out the front end and just like keep everything in place. And I will curl my eyelashes. This is something I never thought I would put back into my routine, but it's actually kind of nice. It makes my eyelashes just actually curl. It's kind of one of those things that you start using when you first start using makeup because it's like fun to curl your eyelashes, and then I totally forgot they existed. I also don't like to wear mascara every single day because it just makes my eyes feel really heavy. And this is my finished makeup look, and now we're going to do my hair. I've also come up with a new routine as of late for my hair that I really love because I no longer blow dry my hair, which is great. So I don't really put any heat on it. So that's huge for me because I always was like kind of a sucker. I'd blow my hair out like maybe twice a week, 3 times a week because I like the volume. But I have found products that work to kind of do the same thing. So I'm using this Amika Bombshell Blowout Spray. I wish I could buy this in like a giant vat because it's so good. I can't even tell you how many bottles I've used of this. I feel like it gives me the volume of like what my old blowouts used to give me, which is great. And it just adds a lot of texture to my hair. Like I can tell when I don't use it. Yeah, that's one of my like all-time favorite products. Next, I'll just put in a hair oil. This is just a Moroccan oil, but like any hair oil will do. Lastly, I've been using this Wave spray, which I think I like. I'm trying to figure out exactly what it's doing to see if it's worth buying again. I'd love to know if like any of you guys use this. It has helped define my curls because I've been wearing it just natural, so I've been trying to embrace my somewhat curly hair. So I feel like that's been helping. I'm definitely in the process of like trying just different products and stuff for my hair because I want to find the best like curly solution. I'll just twist my bangs back like this, which helps them dry a little bit better in my opinion. I just scrunch the rest of my hair, and then when Once my hair is dry, I've been using this hair oil from Pros. They do custom hair oils, and this one smells so good. You only need like 2 or 3 drops of this. Put that through my hair afterwards to make it like a little bit more shiny and less frizzy. And other than that, I just let my hair dry. If you want to know what my hair looks like when it's dry, you can go watch another one of my videos, because this is the routine that I always do. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. This was such a pleasure, and hopefully you learned a little trick or two, something new. Again, if you want to check out Ursa Major, highly recommend. They're seriously, obviously, one of my favorite companies. I think they're doing an amazing job. I love their usage of ingredients. This just smells really good, and it's really nice on your face if you're looking for a new moisturizer. And again, you can get 15% off your first order if you click below and use the code where I live. And other than that, I will see you in the next one.